We are learning web development using PHP. We are continuing our object-oriented programming chapters, and in this part we are going to discuss about destruct function. So in the previous example we studied about construct function. A construct function can be used to initialize an object's property upon its creation. So we used an example name and color. So at the time of creation of this vegetable object, we provided these two values for name and color, and hence these properties were set for this object. Now in a destruct function, a destruct function is automatically called when an object is created. So as a construct function is used to set some properties to a particular object, a destruct function is automatically called when the script ends or when an object is created. So now you can see in our example, we are using the same example. We are creating a class called vegetable. In our class, we are setting some properties or attributes, name and color. Using the construct function, name and color will be defined, and hence whenever a new object of vegetable class will be created, we can give these two properties in the same order, name and color. So in this example, pumpkin will become the name of that vegetable and yellow will become the color. So this name is name and this color is color. These are the two main things here. This is use of construct function. This was discussed in the previous example. So now I have set a destruct function here also, which will automatically be called, and when it will be automatically called upon creation of an object. So you will see the vegetable, name of that vegetable, the vegetable, this name has this color. So it will be something like the vegetable XYZ has color XYZ. So now let's see this example, how what type of output we can see in the when we will run this PHP code. So here is the directory in which we have our destruct.php file, and you can see the vegetable pumpkin has yellow, and we can also write has this color, has yellow color. You can write this statement anyhow, anyway, and on destruct you can call any type of function. In this example, using the construct function, we have set name and color attributes, and that's why in every function, because these properties or attributes are public, so we can use them inside this function. And the vegetable, this name has this color, and I will put a simple space here. And now let's execute the same PHP page again. So the vegetable pumpkin has yellow color. So this is how you can set it. We can also make them bold by using the B tag has. So it's up to you how you want to format your string, what type of formatting you want in your text. I'm just giving you examples of construct and destruct function. So by using construct function, we can set some properties at the time of creation of that object. So now you can see by just using one line, we are able to create an object and we are able to do something with the function, and that function is using those properties which are provided at the time of creation of this object. So this is the benefit of destruct and construct function in object oriented programming in PHP. We can do anything with this destruct function. We can calculate some mathematical, we can apply some mathematical operators, and we can calculate something like calculate the tax, calculate EMI, calculate whatever you want, calculate area of a triangle, or do some complex operations like insert some data in database. So this object will be created and some information will be provided here, and then we can simply insert this information in database. So object will be created and information will be inserted in database. We can do anything here. This is work of construct and destruct function.